friends, and I say jazz because today we're going to be talking about the great Pat Martino and his approach to 2-5-1s. He calls it minor reduction, and what he means there is reducing these three chords to G minor, C, which would be the 5 chord dominant, to the 1 chord major 7. So instead of thinking about each chord separately, he says, why not just play G minor, which is really brilliant. And here's the exercise he gives for the 6th string. And again, that would translate to any minor on the 6th string in that root position. Next we have this 2 chord, which would be the first inversion. So instead of playing it here, we would play it here in the 2-5-1. And instead of playing along with each chord, we just play over that 2 chord. And here the inversion really looks like a B flat 6. Here's the exercise. Again, that's G minor, but in first inversion, so it kind of has more of a B flat major 7 feel in your hands. Now here's the second inversion up here on fret 10. Here's the pattern for that. Tricky spots in that pattern, but you'll definitely get them. And that's for the second inversion. Now next he has this position, which is the G minor, but instead of playing off the root, he's going to play off the 5 of that chord, and here's the pattern. For that minor, which is great to transpose, down to that shape. You can play, of course, that same pattern if you're in C. But we're still in G, focusing there. I just wanted to show you how you could move that around. And then finally, he has back to the root, but instead of using that first pattern, we're going to do one off the pinky. Again, that's a root position, but using the pinky on the root instead of the first finger. But say we were, in C minor, we could play that same lick. So it's all about just knowing where your roots are and knowing what the 2 chord of each 2-5-1 would be. And that is Pat Martino, Linear Expressions. I noticed Boris decided to join me there. But I hope you guys had fun checking that out. Definitely look at the PDF and start working through some of these exercises in G minor, and then figuring out how you could go to the other keys.